Squats are excellent functional movement that everyone needs to do. However, your body may not actually be ready for the squats, and that's why it is important to warm yourself up before doing a squat. If you don't have a good mobility, meaning your hip just can't get past a certain range of motion, then this warm-up won't fix your problem. You need to first gain the mobility and then think about squatting with barbell. What this warm-up will fix is a stiffness during your squat. And what I mean by warm-up is you need to work on your mobility and flexibility. So it is going to be a quick 2-minute warm-up before every single squats. So we are going to do 8 reps of everything what I'm showing you here. So on first exercise, you grab your toes and sink down as low as you can into the bottom position of the squat like this. 8 reps. Then we are going to focus on thoracic extension by doing this. You open up your chest and get your thoracic spine back. With your hands over your head, you are getting into flexion here. And then you are extending your thoracic spine when you are here. You do 8 reps. Then we need to work on thoracic rotation, which is very important. And you can do this exercise with a stick or a bar, or you can do this. You actually hook with your right hand onto your left foot and you drive your elbow up and rotating as much as you can. You want to do 6 reps on each direction. So we'll loosen up that thoracic spine, but listen, thoracic extension becomes difficult when your arms over your head. So we are going to do an overhead squat mobility drill. Same thing that you did before, but with both hands and without rotation. Again, 8 reps. And then the last exercise, you want to combine almost all of these motions by doing everything together. As an athlete, you don't have to isolate each motion. By combining them together and doing them as a dynamic warm-up will help you to perform your lifts at your best. So that's it, quick little warm-up to start your squats. And I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on so you never miss any video. Dedicate your life to your purpose, and bye brother.